A WWE Dream Match is a larger-than-life spectacle that pits two signature stars together. No, we're not talking about the James Ellsworth against Heath Slater match you're all thinking about. This is a collection of the WWE WrestleMania main event headliners that fans never got to see together. Unless you own a copy of WWE 2K17, these matches will probably never become a reality. 10 WWE Dream Matches fans never got to see. Batista versus Brock Lesnar. The Animal and the Beast Incarnate are two of the toughest competitors to ever step into the WWE ring. They have a storied history behind the scenes while training together, but Lesnar and Batista have never gotten the chance to battle out in the ring for a marquee main event. Fans would love to see Batista powerbomb rain down on Suplex City and create all kinds of chaos. John Cena versus Hulk Hogan. The two top babyfaces from two different generations, John Cena, Hulk Hogan, they've joined forces in a tag team match, but the two megastars have never been in opposite corners against each other. 5 or so years ago would have been the ample time to book this instant WrestleMania main event, but Hogan is too old now to give this dream match a proper go. The ending would have been interesting, as each superstar has been known to book themselves going over. Sting versus The Undertaker. Sting and The Undertaker each rose in separate promotions as dark and mysterious characters that entertained audiences for years. WWE really missed out by giving Sting a match with Triple H instead of the Dead Man. This match would have provided great drama and a really iconic moment as they both stood face to face in the ring. With The Undertaker's recent return to SmackDown, there may be a chance that Sting comes back for one last match. Hulk Hogan versus Stone Cold Steve Austin. WrestleMania 18 would have been completely different if The Rock was replaced with Stone Cold Steve Austin in a match against Hulk Hogan. Two of the biggest merchandise sellers and fan favorites could have delivered one hell of a match. Austin repeatedly nixed the idea due to different in-ring styles, but he probably didn't want Hogan to go over him. It would have been great to see Hogan stunned in the middle of the ring. CM Punk versus AJ Styles. It's the best in the world versus the phenomenal one. CM Punk and AJ Styles have battled in the indies multiple times, but fans never got to see these two compete on the main stage in the WWE. The technical prowess and ability to deliver an in-ring story would have created an instant WrestleMania classic. The fury of kicks, elbows, and forearm smashes would have been incredible to see, especially with a WWE title on the line. Bret Hart versus Kurt Angle. If you're a fan of true mat wrestling and submission holds, then you probably wish you could have gotten to see Bret Hart versus Kurt Angle. When both stars were in their prime, they provided non-stop stellar matches. Fans wished they could have seen the battle of the ankle lock against the sharpshooter. Both wrestlers are now well past their prime and could never deliver a match of the caliber that they were once capable of. Shawn Michaels versus The Rock. One of the biggest missed opportunities to ever come from the WWE was a chance to see Shawn Michaels take on The Rock in a main event match. Rumors swirled for years that the two disliked each other backstage, but the two never got a chance to settle their differences in the ring. The Rock has been involved in a dream match against Hulk Hogan, John Cena, and Bill Goldberg, but a battle with the Heartbreak Kid could have topped them all. CM Punk versus Stone Cold Steve Austin. Stone Cold Steve Austin was very close to coming out of in-ring retirement to face off against CM Punk. Punk taunted Austin for months on Twitter, and the two even came face-to-face on Raw. CM Punk grew up a huge Austin fan, creating a natural storyline that could have progressed in the ring. With CM Punk presumably gone for good, this dream match will likely remain that way and never see the light of day. John Cena versus The Undertaker. The Undertaker is known for his incredible WrestleMania streak, but John Cena's WrestleMania record is just as impressive. He has wrestled in numerous WrestleMania main events and often steals the show each year. They fought each other early in Cena's career, but these two battling now would be a truly great WrestleMania dream match that fans would pay to see. It would be a match filled with near falls, multiple pin attempts, and a lot of drama as fans passionately cheer. Goldberg versus Stone Cold Steve Austin. Wrestling fans in the late 1990s were constantly debating the potential match between megastars Bill Goldberg and Stone Cold Steve Austin. Both superstars reached their height of success at the same time, except one was at WCW and the other was in the WWE. The closest fans came to seeing the two do battle was at WrestleMania 20 when Austin delivered a stunner to Goldberg. Goldberg's return to WWE has increased the odds of this dream match happening by just a little bit. Well, there you have it. What dream match do you think could still happen in the WWE today? Are there any that we missed? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to The Sportster on YouTube.